Welcome back to Lil'WhizKids, where we embark on exciting journeys to learn about the incredible creatures that share our planet. Today we're diving into the world of giants, the amazing elephants. Get ready for an extraordinary elephant extravaganza. First things first, who are these gentle giants? Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They're known for their big ears, long trunks, and impressive tusks. Elephants can be found in the wild in Asia and throughout Africa in areas called savannas. Elephants have the coolest tool in the animal kingdom, their trunks. It's like having a super-powered nose, hand, and straw all in one. They use it to grab things, drink water, and even give themselves a refreshing shower. Elephants are herbivores. That means they eat grass and leaves, bark and fruit. Those giant ears are not just for show. Elephant ears are like built-in air conditioners. When it's hot, they flap their ears to cool down. It's like having your own natural fan on a hot day. Elephants are not loners. They're social butterflies. They live in close-knit families led by the wise elder, usually the oldest female. It's like having a big, loving family in the wild. Even though they are big, elephants are proficient swimmers and can use their trunks as a snorkel. They enjoy bathing and swimming in water. When a baby elephant is born, it usually weighs around 200 pounds and can stand and walk on its own almost immediately. Did you know that elephants have fantastic memories? They can remember places, other elephants, and even specific routes to watering holes. It's like having built-in GPS in their giant brains. Those impressive tusks aren't just for looks. They're made of ivory. Sadly, some people hunt elephants for their tusks, and it's a big challenge for their survival. But many kind-hearted humans are working hard to protect these majestic creatures. And there you have it, little safari enthusiasts. Our elephant extravaganza has come to an end. If you had a blast learning about elephants, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe for more wild adventures. We hope you liked looking at elephants as much as us. Until our next expedition, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep cherishing the incredible creatures we share our planet with. Bye for now.